Hi teachers! In this video, you will learn how to teach your students to multiply two binomial expressions. This video is brought to you by Team Pack. Oh, but first, let us take a look at the learning objectives. Before we begin, do you remember the lesson on distributive property where we multiplied a monomial with a binomial? Pause this video and try to expand this expression on your own. The answer should be 10 plus 35x. Very good! Good job if you managed to obtain the correct answer too. But if you did not, please look back at the previous video. But what if you were to multiply two binomials together? This might be a little challenging for certain students. Hence, let us introduce the FOIL method. Teachers can use a strategy called FOIL. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, and last. So, how is FOIL used? F. Multiply the first term in each set of the brackets. O. Multiply the outer term in each set of the brackets. I. Multiply the inner term in each set of the brackets. L. Multiply the last term in each set of the brackets. The purpose of using FOIL is that it is a handy tool and a catchy acronym for students to remember the steps when multiplying two binomial expressions. Now, let's use FOIL to solve our problem. As you can see, the unknown x is the first term in each set of brackets. So, when we multiply x to the other x, which results in x squared. O stands for the outer terms in each set of the brackets. Here, we will multiply the unknown x with 4, which will give us 4x. Now, let's look at I, which stands for the inner terms. In this expression, 2 is the inner term, so we will multiply 2 with the unknown x. This will then give us 2x. Finally, L, which represents the last terms in each set of the brackets. Here, we will multiply 2 with 4, which will give us 8. From this expression, you can see there are two like terms, 4x and 2x. We can simplify it further by adding them up together. Finally, we can now rewrite this expression in a simplified manner as x squared plus 6x plus 8. However, the strategy FOIL is not applicable when multiplying a binomial with a monomial or a trinomial. As teachers, we will have students with different abilities in mathematics. Hence, it is important for us to differentiate our task or question. As shown in the previous videos, we will use the gingerbread man to represent the levels of difficulty. We will now provide 3 different levels of questions that students can attempt using the FOIL strategy. Those were the 3 different example questions. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope that you will be able to use FOIL acronym when teaching your students how to multiply binomial expressions.